Good afternoon. It's David Gordon, personal injury attorney in Memphis, Tennessee, and we are in part 3 of our discussion of ways in which to maximize your personal injury claim. We've been talking about 10 easy ways. I've already given you 8 of them in parts 1 and 2. Today I'm going to give you the 9th and 10th ways to maximize your claim for personal injury. Way number 9, don't exaggerate. You know, when you visit the doctor, almost everything you say about your medical condition, your physical condition, is recorded by the doctor or the doctor's assistant. If you tell the doctor that you're hurt so bad that you can barely get out of bed, or you tell the doctor that you can't sleep, or you tell the doctor that you can't lift anything, these things are going to be recorded by the doctor. Likewise, if you tell the doctor that your back bothered you a bit on your recent travel to Nashville, which is about 200 miles from Memphis, all right, in this car trip, then the doctor or the assistant's going to write that down. Well, later, if you tell the insurance company or the insurance company lawyer that your back pain is so bad that you haven't been able to go anywhere, you haven't been able to travel to see your kids in Nashville, you can barely make it downtown to a restaurant. Well, then they look at your medical record and they see that you traveled to Nashville, 200 miles away in a car, and now you're saying that you can't go anywhere, can barely even make it downtown. This is a very damaging finding by the insurance company or their lawyer. So that's why it's so important that you don't exaggerate. These stretchers are going to come back to haunt you. Don't pretend that you're hurt worse than you are. Tell the truth to the doctor. Tell the truth if you're interviewed by the attorney on the other side. The last thing to do in order to maximize your personal injury claim is be patient. Right after a crash, it is common for an insurance company to call a victim and offer that victim a few $100s. In other words, they would say, right now, I'll give you $300 for your pain and suffering. Well, to get that $300, you're going to have to sign a form that releases your claim against their driver forever. Sometimes it's tempting. You think, well, I've just got this little bit of discomfort in my neck or back. It's no big deal. And here the insurance company is offering me $300. That's not so bad. And a person takes it. But that back pain or that neck pain lingers. And it turns out that neck pain or back pain lingers for months. You get medical care from your primary care physician. You're ordered physical therapy. The pain still doesn't go away. You get an MRI and it turns out you have an actual injury that shows up on the MRI. You've got an injury to a disc in your neck or back. This is potentially a lifetime injury. And you've settled your case for $300. So be patient. I'm not just talking about turning down that offer a few days after the accident. Even a few weeks or months after the accident, the insurance company is going to try to buy your claim for as low an amount as possible. Resist those lowball offers. Be patient. In order to get you the money that you're entitled to for a serious injury, it takes time. It might take as much as 2 years or more for you to be paid properly if you've been injured severely. Be patient. All right, those are the last 2 ways in which to maximize your case I've given you today in part 3. And what do we say? We said don't exaggerate. Be honest about what you can and can't do, what pain you're experiencing or not experiencing. And then number 10, be patient. The value of your claim is going to go up in most circumstances. Until next time, that's David Gordon, personal injury attorney in Memphis, Tennessee.